Oh, not doing too well there. Ooh, oncoming traffic. We have a bike down. So we're gonna be watching some crashes and close calls. So if you're a brand new rider, let's pay attention so we know what to do and what not to do. Make sure you get the Smart Rider Motorcycle Training System.
To react in time.
Bunch of books so we don't make these mistakes. So that was a nice wide turn from a boat. Always anticipate with a trailer, they're going to be making wide turns, just like semis.
Eyes did not deceive me, but at the very last second he indicated to the right. You can see he actually started his right turn just a moment before he signaled.
Oh, okay. Anyways, we're having some fun with our friends. We have sides of the vehicles. Oh, wheelie time. Hopefully nobody loses their muffler. Oh, there it goes. We're going to run it over. Nice. Now they can't just slip it right back on. You're going to have a nice little dent in it. So road surface hazard, lift your butt up just a tiny bit when you go over it. There it is. Stupid driver speed up and cut off motorcyclists. All right, but he ain't having none of it. Let him have it. So you're not going to win this. So if you don't know anything about motorcycles, we are tiny and cars are big. And so law of gross tonnage, we get impacted, we go down, okay? Foot brake Frank. So probably a stunter, I'm assuming. Brian636, go ahead and comment, please. I don't know what a foot brake is, unless it's the rear brake. Whoa! Very lucky. Very lucky. Here we go. So we're coming up here. Oh, traffic, moving over, slow it down, relax. We don't know what's happening. There's already EMS or first responders on scene. We don't need to stop and rescue anybody. So he's letting everybody know, move over, move over, move over. Are you getting pulled over?
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
What'd he do?
That the biker didn't know.
Just standing up? I guess that can be considered reckless riding. So if you're a brand new rider, don't stand up in front of cops. You do that off-road for adventure riding. I don't know.
I was in trouble until the very end.
I stand up. It's a nice stretch for the legs.
Are you getting pulled over?
Yeah. Oh, almost hit the cone. Practice your slow speed maneuvers, which is a part of the system. Smart Rider drills, 24 drills. You set up 10 cones. You never have to move them. 24 drills from beginner all the way to expert mode.
All right, I guess I'm getting pulled over.
Yeah. Just go. Nah, they're just letting you know.
Oh, I'm not.
Yeah, so standing up, I guess.
Was that?
It is what it is.
Damn.
Move on. Wear some gear. So as a smart rider, we acquire and use personal protective equipment just in case we crash. We want to go ahead and do that. You stood up. They think it's reckless. It's California.
Holy moly.
All right, driver stuck in traffic blames me. All right, open lane pattern. Watch out, anybody want to swerve left into your lane because that lane might be moving more. Okay, everyone stops. Nobody's going to do that. School is getting out. All the parents are waiting. I need to turn right at the next light. Got my blinker on. Okay, very cool. That's exactly what you should be doing. Is it California? You're able to lane split. You're perfectly legal to, yeah, it looks like it's California. You're able to do this. You're able to get through. That's a nice open spot. You can go. But he's doing the right thing, you know, because car drivers get pissed off when we lane split.
Oh, this is my fault? I can't wait to put you on YouTube.
Yeah. It is what it is. Car drivers hate it when we lane split or lane filter, and then when we don't, they get mad. So either way, just do what you want to do. All right, side of the vehicle, left turner, dangerous, very dangerous. So I'm trying not to pause it, but when somebody's slowing down like this, they're more than likely going to turn. Okay, you notice that they slow down, they're not continuing their path of travel. So it's kind of giving you that idea of locating this hazardous situation. Is it a relevant threat? Now it's an active threat when they're starting to turn like that. So we either have to accelerate, swerve, or brake. Good job with the swerve. Not much room to do it in. Did it. Moved on. You're good to go. Good job. That was a good job. It is what it is. All right, bro. Where do you think you got that? Sharp left turn coming up ahead. You saw the sign. Oh, we have a left turner in front of us. Good job applying the brakes, handling it, swerved out of the way to get it behind him so you can get back in your lane. Good job. You see how it's hard to shift with that bent? Get a new lever or bend it back. It'll probably snap if you try to bend it back, but
Situation, it's entirely
nice little skateboard.
who rides
It's got a skateboard backpack. Those are cool. I love
the
it.
correct distance and eventually hits the
Handling it.
in front of him.
There's another motorcycle rider to our right. I saw the shadow. We're moving over. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. He slammed the front brake.
I got
Okay.
you. Hold on.
It is what it is. We're going to help each other out.
Dude, he's been
You know?
You're good.
No, you have to apologize. We're here to help, man. We're here to help. Love it. Love it. Rescued another rider.
Sorry. Yeah.
Might have impacted the other car. I don't know. I couldn't tell. But either way, it was a sudden deceleration, lost balance, fell off to one of the sides.
Oh.
Oh, oh. Yeah, don't hit my bike. That's another thing is don't park in front.
Save your bike, I promise. What is that? That's what I was trying.
Well,
Careful, you're going to get burn on your leg with the exhaust.
recorded that.
So he stalled. He's probably like in second or third gear. Needs to get down to first.
Well, good thing I got this backup screen. Hey,
It
man.
probably has like, you know, the fluids are all messed up. It's an older bike. You know, there you go. Flush the lines. Doing well.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
No, we're all good. Thankfully, he didn't hit his head falling down because he's not wearing a helmet. So please wear a helmet. Please, please, please.
Nah, I'm going right here.
Everyone's just chilling. I love it. We're just going to power through this video. We're trying to find mistakes, trying to find some good things. There's an open lane pattern right up ahead. Any vehicles want to go in the left lane, be careful. I get it. We're in the HOV lane. Nobody's supposed to do that. There it is. He swerved out of the way. We swerved out of the way.
In that slower lane, they see the clear traffic in the commuter lane. and
Good job.
over they come. It didn't seem like a lot, but
What did he say?
lower lane, they see the clear traffic in the commuter lane, and over they come. It didn't seem like a lot, but that really did throw me forward. I had to hit the brakes hard enough.
Vixe, aí não, mano. Aí é pai,
All right.
velho.
Can we rescue anybody? I don't see any cops or first responders on scene, so let's go ahead and see if we can rescue anybody. Anybody hurt? Good job with the slow speed maneuver. Practice the smart rider drills there. Oh, not getting up. This is the moment we could do something if we have the training, so please get the training. That is not blood. Okay. Why are you yelling at the dude on the ground? Get
Yeah,
out.
pai.
Dude, go away if you're going to be yelling at the guy on the ground. Are you trying to rob him? So leg is probably in pain. I would do some kind of assessment to check his body. I would ask permission first. That's called informed consent because he is conscious and alert. If he was unconscious, I would just do it. That's called implied consent. So I'm going to go ahead and ask and check. And it's like, hey, I got my trauma kit right here. Any major bleeds, I'm going to do a quick assessment, rapid assessment, all that stuff. And if he's fine, I'll just kind of hang out a little bit. Just chat. Maybe leave. If everything's good.
Voiture quer rentrer. Tenso, viu, mano? Nossa.
Take a little souvenir. You know, just have some fun. Be like, you can't park there.
Tenso, viu?
Can't park there.
Foda, velho.
All right, doing some wheelies, having some fun. Closed area, no traffic. I have no problem you guys doing this here. Just don't do it when there's pedestrians and other cars. He hit his head pretty hard there. That's why I wear helmets. No gear. You got a little bit of road rash on the knee. This is where we're practicing. Look at the leg. Instantly ripped. Got a little bit of road rash on there. Probably an impact to the knee. A little bit of pain. Oh, a lot of pain. Enough to get an ambulance. All right, here we go. We're in a car. We're going to have a motorcycle rider going to head on. Car driver paid attention. Car driver, the truck driver would have won that. But thankfully, we have nice people out there, not fighting for the lane. He knows he would have killed that person if he just kept going. 97 kilometers per hour, that is 62-ish. Okay, we have a vehicle in our roadway. Move over. There we go. New position for safety. Look at the position we're in. We're right in the middle of the lane. So when we're talking about the plan method, we are locating. Oh, there's something up there. Assessing. Oh, it's in my lane. Immediately an active threat. I must move over as best I possibly can so I don't get hit. So watch. He's doing that. The only thing that saved him was actually moving. The hand up thing didn't do anything. Move over. Get yourself out of it first. And then do the thumbs down. Thumbs down is always something that... I don't like the finger. I like the thumbs down. Oh, left turner. Good swerve. Find the escape. Found the escape. Hey, we're on a Super 73. So max, unless you go to level 4, you can, level 4 you can go 32. But probably max is closer to 25 on this. It looks like he's going 25. So he's probably level 3. Finds the escape. Good job with the swerve. Now we can swerve back onto the main road, or we can keep slowing it down enough to do this. Good job. I have 2 Super 73s. They're fun. Oh, with a passenger, nice little swerve, not speeding. If we were speeding, that would have been a lot harder to do. Beautiful looking bike. Moving on. Perfect positioning for safety in terms of line of sight. Not space cushion. This is too close. I don't like it. I like being off the side. You notice how on the side you can see way ahead. So when you're looking for a position for safety, one escape route at least, good line of sight, and a space cushion. We have at least an escape route right ahead. So if this person slams the brakes, we just keep going lane split. And we have good line of sight. So be off to the sides on your lane when you're next to vehicles. So you can see around. Oh, anybody want to come over? There it is. Open lane pattern, moved on.
Thanks for
Should they have come into our lane? No, they shouldn't have, but we were able to navigate that pretty well. So with that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, check out the store, and see you on the live streams on Tuesdays.